Minister of Republic of India.
Prime Minister Tony Abbott, Ministers, Premier of Victoria, leaders of Victoria, friends, all the eminent people gathered here, and our great cricketers. This has been an extraordinary visit to Australia. You hosted a great G20 summit. It showcased Australia's global role. Congratulations. In the past 4 days, I have experienced everything that Australia is known for: natural beauty, sunshine, great cities, friendly and cheerful people, and strength that have made you an economic force in the world. Prime Minister, you have been truly generous with your hospitality and warmth. I am deeply honored that you have come to Melbourne to host such a wonderful reception. Thanks a lot. This memory will stay with me forever. It touched my heart. I can tell you that not only me, but all Indians are deeply touched by this reception. Many Indians wake up early on a cold December morning to watch on TV a Boxing Day. At this magnificent stadium. I know that India has not done particularly well in this ground. But we won the 1985 Champions Trophy here, and Gavaskar and Kapil Dev are here. As is Lakshman, who especially loved to bat against Australia. To speak to you at this historic ground comes close to scoring a century here, especially against McGrath and Brackley. This will be a deserving venue for the Cricket World Cup Finals 2015. I hope that our two teams will play that match. We can learn from Australia's famous sporting skills in other areas. And we have decided to collaborate on a sports university in India. It is said that Melbourne is the best city in the world to live in. Sydney might not agree. India can learn from Australian experience and benefit from your expertise. I want to build a future when every Indian can say, yes, my life has improved and my environment has become better. I'm confident that we will achieve it with the support of the people of India and through the talent and energy of 800 million youth below the age of 35. A successful India will be a vast opportunity and a force of good for the world. We look forward to closer partnership with friends like Australia. Prime Minister Abbott and I have spent a good part of this week together. I have also met the political leadership, business leaders, and the vibrant Indian community. We have achieved a lot in the last few days on things we all agree on. The bonds between the countries are made strong by joint hands of our people. So our exchanges in sports, tourism, education, and culture are great source of strength for our relationship. I feel great confidence in the future of our relationship. My memorable visit to Australia ends tonight, but a new journey of our relationship has begun. Thank you and hope you are coming to India soon. Thank you. मैं जब यहाँ आया, few Indian people requested me that I should speak in Hindi. नहीं, भाषा का झगड़ा करने के लिए हम यहाँ नहीं आए हैं. मैं ऑस्ट्रेलिया की कई बातों से बड़ा प्रभावित हूं. हम जानते हैं कि एक शब्द से हम बहुत परिचित हैं और जीवन के हर क्षेत्र में उस शब्द का प्रयोग होता है. पारिवारिक जीवन में भी होता है, भाइयों के बीच में भी होता है, व्यापार में होता है, हर छोटे मोटे व्यवहार में होता है. और वो शब्द है स्पोर्ट्समैन स्पिरिट. ये स्पोर्ट्समैन स्पिरिट किसी भी समाज की सबसे बड़ी ताकत होती है. और अगर स्पोर्ट्स नहीं है तो स्पोर्ट्समैन स्पिरिट संभव नहीं है. और ऑस्ट्रेलिया के पास ये दोनों अमानत है. स्पोर्ट्स है, स्पोर्ट्समैन स्पिरिट है. और मैं मानता हूं ऑस्ट्रेलिया सारी दुनिया को स्पोर्ट्समैन स्पिरिट एक्सपोर्ट करे. मैं बहुत आभारी हूं. और जैसा टॉनी ने कहा, एक ऐसा हमारे दोनों के बीच में ऐसा रिश्ता बन गया है जिसको शब्दों में वर्णन नहीं किया जा सकता. और शायद किसी दो देश के मुखिया के लोगों के बीच में ऐसा नहीं होता है, बड़ी फॉर्मेलिटी होती है. हम दोनों के बीच में कोई फॉर्मेलिटी नहीं है. बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. थैंक यू. I was talking about the Steve, you want photo?
Ah.